First, I'll show you how to make a slip knot, the most common way to start a crochet project. Take your yarn and make a half loop and twist it away from you. Take the strand that goes underneath, not the yarn tail, and pull it through the loop you just created. Insert your hook into the loop and gently tighten it. It should be snug, but not too tight. And that's it. Now you can start your chains. Just yarn over and pull through the loop until you reach your desired length. Next is the magic ring, also called a magic circle. This is often used for projects worked in the round. Place the yarn tail in your palm, then wrap the working yarn upward 2 times around 2 fingers, pressing the yarn on the inside of your palm. On the outside, you'll see 2 strands of yarn. Insert your hook underneath the outside strand and over the inside strand. Pull the outside strand under the inside strand. Twist the hook away from you. Yarn over the outside strand again and pull through the loop. You can now slide the ring off your fingers, untangle it a bit, and start working your first stitches into the ring. Later, you can pull the yarn tail to close the center tightly. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.